And since guys, we did not get our cheese card guys on our last video, we will open again another box of battle partners, and this would be our last. I swear to God, guys, this would be our last for this year for battle partner because we opened more than 10 guys. I'm not joking. We opened more than 10. Is this resealed or what? Oh, I hope this is not a resealed product, guys. Because we are really how I say unlucky. We are super unlucky on this set. We haven't get anything big in these battle partners. Imagine guys opening more than 10 bucks of this set and then you haven't get anything. So it's really awful. It's really awful for me and for my business as well. Because we're selling cards and the cards that we are getting is not even sellable. Okay, let's see again. Masquerade, Meowsquerade. Next pack. Ionos, Bellibolt, EX. Not so flashy. Third pack, Magic. Shoo! Ooh, I thought it's a Articuno AR. So at least if we can get Articuno or Ens Reshiram. Actually guys, the one of the best AR here is Ens Reshiram. And if we get that, then we can have a good day. But without that, uy! Holy shit! I saw something, guys. I saw something. This second pack is loaded, man. This second pack is loaded. I saw something, guys. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Masquerade, let's go! Uy, nothing. I thought it's loaded because it's heavy. Okay, it's just how I say there's just an additional card, but it's just a normal card. I thought it's a big hit because I felt that pack is a bit thicker than the other packs. So I thought, guys, that there's a better hits, but it's just an how I say manufacturing issue wherein the put more cards in one pack. So usually there's five card in one pack. But in that pack we got 6. Ooh, let's go. Nice ER. I love this one. And Zoroark. And Zoroark. Uy. I like these signs. This is a good sign, guys. If you haven't got any hits for a very long time, okay, there's a big chance that you can get an SER. There's a very big chance. And by the way, I opened a lot of box, guys. I haven't got any God pack in Korean version. Is there a chance that we can get a God pack, guys, in Korean version? Yes or no? Please comment, guys, your thoughts about this. And if you're opening Korean packs, maybe you can help. Maybe you can help me on that. Because I really opened a lot. I really opened a lot, guys. A lot means a lot. Zoroark. Oh, this is a good sign. This is a good sign. Maybe we can get the Clefairy today. I am nervous, guys. Imagine, guys, we only got one AR. One AR since the start. And we got one pack with additional card. And the packs is a bit loaded. I hope this is not a resealed product. Because right now the other oh! Let's go! Clefairy SR! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go! That's beautiful, man. Clefairy SR, okay. That one is okay. That one is okay. That is our second second chase card. So the first chase card is the Clefairy SAR. But the Clefairy SR, guys, is also very nice and it's quite expensive. So it's really, really nice. I love that hit. Okay, maybe we can buy another box because of that. Hopefully we can get another one. Okay, I'm getting excited because we only got one AR and one SR Clefairy, and I'm thinking there will be another Clefairy SAR, guys. I'm so excited, guys. I'm nervous and excited at the same time, man. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Another Wailord. This is my 6th Wailord, guys. Wailord loves me so much. Salamence. Okay, so we got second AR. One SR, second AR. So there's still a chance. There's still a chance, guys, that we will get Clefairy SAR because, or hopefully we can get a God Pack. Let's see. Ens Reshiram. Okay. Okay. Well, this box is loaded. I'm a bit satisfied. Although we did not get the SER, we got the SR. So that's our second chase card. But let's see, guys. There's still a chance. Oh, there's still a chance, man. Let's go. No fucking way. Okay, one of these is AR or one of these is Clefairy SAR. Which is which? Which is which, guys? This is it, guys. Okay, sorry. Okay. So, only SR. Not bad, guys. This box is not bad. You see, we got Enzorwark, we got the Swinub ER. So that one is not bad. Then we got Wailord. I hate Wailord. I have a lot of Wailord. And our best hit, of course, Clefairy. At least we got Clefairy, guys. Really, really happy on this box. And we got also Enzorwark. So that would give us a very, very nice numbers. And probably maybe around 200 ringgit. So that's all, guys. See you on the next one. God bless.